update.
Okay, folks, happy 25th of February to everyone. We have the stock market up very strongly again here on Wednesday. The Dow Jones is up 307, S&P's up 52, and the NASDAQ is up 285. And as you can see from this chart here, after the big run up, you had an ABCD right at the 382 in the NASDAQ, and you had another little pullback here, 382 in the NASDAQ, and you could write a book on 382s, the ones you see today, folks. We'll cover some of them as we go through some of the trades that we're looking at today. But one thing that we did want to mention, and that is, if you remember, we were selling crude oil yesterday and getting ready to buy it at the 382. We sold it right there at 66.75. We bought it back at 65.24. That was a nice move of $1,500. You can see the ABCD pattern coming in right here exactly at the 382 here at 24. Now it's setting here at 49. You're risking about 40 points. Your stop will be down in here. This is a very bullish pattern potentially, folks, because you've got so many things looking, well, for things that we like to look at. You can see the multiple ABCD patterns. There's one. There's another one right here. There's another one right there. There's a whole bunch of them coming together right at this level that just happens to be, you know, the 382, and that's why we think it's got a chance to have a pretty good rally. The good thing is the amount of risk, you know, that you're taking here is, you know, basically you buy it at 24, you're going to sell it at 64.88. You're risking 40 points, and you just made, you know, $400. You just made $1,600. So your risk here is really, really limited. You still have a profitable trade. You'll have to give some of it up. But we've got a whole bunch of others that are looking really interesting. And we do have to talk about the Dow Jones because it was so oversold coming in on Monday. You know, and then what we'll do is we will have to look at it when we come back from the break here in just a minute, and then we'll take a look. Now, we're going to have live trading on Friday, and Friday is that big day. That's the 28th, folks. That's the big cycle date that we're waiting for to see if any of these things are going to transform into a big move or not. The way the president told us yesterday, it's just like coming out of F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby, man. It's good times all around. We'll be right back, folks.